Welcome back to the WPI web training videos. Today we will be learning how to use the anchors block. This is how it looks here. As you can see, I have some sections on my page of blocks that I would like to link to. So I have this block of tools and templates, brand guidelines, and website help. Now in my anchors block, I can link to jump to those different blocks down on the page. Now let's learn how to build one. First, navigate to your page's layout editor. And from there, scroll down to take a peek at the blocks that you would like to link in your anchors block. I'm going to look at the first one, tools and templates. I'll click on the edit icon and configure. Now, what is in the title field is what we're going to use for our anchor links. So I'm going to be using this title, tools and templates. Now navigate to where you would like to have your anchors block. I'm going to add mine here. Click add block, create custom block, anchors. Now you can provide a title, you can display it or not. You can also provide some body text if you would like. You can also toggle on sticky or non-sticky. In our first demonstration, it was not sticky. Now we'll see what it looks like when it's sticky. Then we're going to add our anchor URLs in the link text. Now, the anchor URL is going to be the title of the block that we would like to link to with hyphens in place of spaces and a pound sign in front. So if I want to link to the block tools and templates, I will do pound sign tools hyphen and hyphen templates. And now for my link text, this is what is going to display on the anchors block. And in this field, you could always shorten it if you would like. Say, for example, if you just wanted to say tools, that's okay too. Then I will add another item. And that's for my next block called brand guidelines. Now again, that's pound sign, brand, hyphen, guidelines. Now I have one more. And that's going to be pound sign website hyphen help. Now when that looks all good, I will click add block. Then make sure you go and save layout. Now let's test it out. As you can see, it is sticky, so it is sticking to the top of the page as you scroll. Just a note that anchor blocks have a maximum of 7 anchor links. Here we only have 3, and it looks great. Thank you.